Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today we have this padlock branded Festa. It's a Czech Republic tool company or tool importer. I don't know, but this padlock is imported also in Serbia. So it's a copy of famous Czech Republic Faborski padlock, or short name FAB, which is pretty good padlock, basic security, but pretty well known. And this is Chinese copy of it. So we have a padlock on different languages. We have QR code for Festa tools, the model number, and that's about it. Let's see what's inside. Again, it's wrapped in this kind of paper, which is known as Chinese paper for padlocks. With those green circles, it's usually for 3-circle padlock. So this one is also wrapped in this kind of plastic paper. So this is the padlock, blue color, and judging by the body, by the shape, anatomy of the body, it's made by Yahuan factory, because Yahuan made in 2008 the same padlock, the same size, the same everything, but it said Yahuan, the logo of Yahuan, and top security or high security on it. So this is the same thing. But this one has Yale style keyway, a kind of Yale style keyway. Here is the bitting, pretty good bitting, but for those Chinese locks the bitting isn't important because tolerances are very poor, and because of that it's very easy to pick this lock open. So we're gonna see what it takes to pick this lock open, actually to rake this one open, because it's more likely to be raked fast than to be picked because of those poor tolerances. So we're going just by pure feel, jumping around the keyway, reset it, jump again, it will for sure be picked. There it is. We got this thing open. Let's try again. Sometimes the pins could set by themselves by entering and exiting with the key, and the padlock is much easier to pick when 3 of 6 pins are set, or 3 or 5, no matter the lock. But it's always good to try again. If it's not a big fight, if it's raked or picked easily, you have to try again to see if it's not a fluke, famous fluke from lockpicking lawyer. There it is. It's not a fluke, it's not anything, it's just bad tolerances, and it's very easy to rake this lock because it doesn't contain security pins at all. It's also sealed unit, so it couldn't be rekeyed. We have this sticker on it, which says quality control. QC is quality control. Aprobado probably means approved. Why in Spanish I don't know. And it says 05. I don't know what 05 means. Maybe it means that it's made in 2005. I bought it new, but maybe the model is invented in 2005. But I know that I bought Yahuan model, the same one, but grey colored and with Yahuan markings on it in 2008. All in all, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.